Hi, I'm Jennifer Kale, and on behalf of Expert Village, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious, spicy pumpkin cheesecake. After the pecans are chopped, we're going to melt 2 tablespoons of butter over medium-high heat. And as soon as that butter is melted, we're going to put all of the pecans in here, making sure to stir so that they get evenly coated with the butter. Let's just scrape this from the cutting board. If you have a nice little cutting board, this works quite nicely for being able to scrape things into a smaller pot. Big cutting boards are good too, but this one certainly has its advantages. So we're going to stir the pecans, make sure they're coated in that butter. You can see the butter foaming up from the heat. And then we're going to sprinkle 2 tablespoons of sugar over the pecans. Now you need that sugar in order to create the caramel. So we're going to stir fairly constantly while it cooks. You don't want the sugar to burn, and you also don't want to worry about it sticking. You shouldn't have too much of a problem with that in most pots. You also want to make sure that you don't get any lumps of sugar. You want to try and get all of the pecans coated with the sugar and butter. Now you can see we've got nice caramel brown. The nuts have been toasted. If you were over here with me, you'd smell the lovely scent of the toasted nuts. So we're going to put it onto a plate so that it can cool. We're just going to pour it right out of the pan. Make sure you get all of the cooked sugar out, because that's going to be the caramel. And kind of spread it around a bit once you've got it on the plate, because you're going to want to break this up into smaller pieces. And so you want to get a nice spread out nuts so that you don't have any huge chunks that you can't break up.